Hey guys, Eric Roberts, Worship the King. Today I'm going to show you how to improve your lighting overall in your room, and I'm going to show you this little hack. Say you got a ceiling fan or overhead lighting already and you want to make a quick fix. I did this, but I'm also going to install a new LED panel. But look at this is what I got right now. So I put an umbrella. So for very cheap on Amazon you can get these little umbrellas, these little light umbrellas. They come in light packs. And I just cut off the umbrella handle, and then I just used some little twist ties inside it to actually put it up there, right on the ceiling fan. I used some wire, some old wire, like the inside core of a 16 gauge electrical wire, and I just kind of twisted it on there and hung it on the ceiling fan. Now, normally for video shoots, this does pretty good. If you want to throw something up there, it's a lot better than just regular light. And also I installed some 5000K LEDs, think 40 watt. So it's really a softer light and it's diffused. So you got a soft diffused light overhead. If you have a ceiling fan in your house studio and you're trying to get a better shoot, do that. You can go underneath it. It looks really good actually. So here's the biggest problem when I'm doing my live feeds. I'm on my computer standing here and then people are looking at me. I've got this big umbrella coming out of my head, so it just seems weird. So I've got this LED panel. I'm gonna put this LED panel up and I think it's gonna be a lot better. It's also soft. It also changes from 24 to 35 to 5000K, which is what I'm running in here. I run a brighter white 5000K lighting. Hey guys, I did it. It took me 4 light fixtures. I'm not kidding. I bought them from Lowe's, Home Depot. I bought them, I returned them. I put 4 light fixtures up before I got this light fixture, and it's awesome. I'm gonna tell you why. Check it out, see? Whoa, look at that light fixture. Just a basic light fixture, but it's way better. I had a problem finding this light fixture, and I'll tell you why. First of all the light fixtures at Home Depot and Lowe's, everywhere I could find, were LED light fixtures, okay? This light fixture is actually incandescent light fixture, and it's also on a dimmer. So I've got this dimmer right here. So when I'm doing it, that's very important. If I want a little bit of light, I can dim this. This light fixture is actually just like a softbox, so it's actually brilliant. And there are 3 40 watt incandescent light bulbs, which means you can pick the light color. Okay, so if you get an LED, the problem with those stinking LED lights is it's hard to dim them. So you have to buy a different light dimmer switch. They flicker sometimes. So I had an old dimmer and I didn't want to change it. So also I want to pick the light color. And those LEDs hurt my eyes too. So I didn't want LEDs. And so I found on Amazon this fixture. If you're like me and you like the old incandescent, which you can pick the color, then you can get this. You can put LEDs in this as well. At the end of the day though, I did change my dimmer switch because the new LED dimmers are better. They work with all the different light bulbs. So now I have the flexibility with this light fixture to dim it. It's like a softbox overhead. So the link is in the description. Hopefully this helps you. You can get rid of your stinky ceiling fan. And I put my ceiling fan in my garage. You want to see it? I'll take it. I'll show you. What are you doing? Oh, he's drinking something. Look, in the garage. It's awesome now because now I have a ceiling fan in my garage. It looks okay in the garage, right? Right? It's fine. It's fine. And then I can beat some people up. Boom, 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 boom. So this is a really great light fixture. It does what I need it to do. It looks better than the ceiling fan, and it's just a small upgrade to the studio. Check the link in the description if you want to get a real light fixture.